Priya is a public health professional working on maternal health in rural districts. Her days are spent in the field, listening, observing, and supporting communities where care matters most. She collects data every day. But when it's time to analyze, interpret, and turn numbers into evidence, she feels uncertain. Sam understands this gap. Instead of generic courses or disconnected learning, Sam recommends a structured pathway focused on epidemiology, biostatistics, clinical research, and digital health. With guided learning in epidemiology, biostatistics, public health research, AI in healthcare, and healthcare informatics, Priya begins to understand patterns, outcomes, and population-level insights. Experience the new Medvarsity, AI-enabled learning that adapts to your role and your impact in healthcare.